Hello my friend, and welcome back to my home and welcome to the channel. Today I am sharing a new 2023 summer nighttime clean with me. We are getting the house tidied and picked up and cleaned. We're going to be doing some mopping, some vacuuming, all the things of the main floor, tackling almost the whole house in today's video for the ultimate nighttime motivation. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Go ahead and put me up on whatever device and clean along with me.
Conversations with you. I'm gonna leave it all behind, find myself, I'm gonna start over new. Yeah, I'm on my way now.
I just love the way the light shines in our master bedroom in the evenings. Sunshine truly just brings me so much joy. Let me know down below if you are the same. Now, I do not normally do a ton of cleaning in the evenings, as that's usually when my husband and I spend our time together. But with that being said, my husband is a shift worker and he was on nights this week. And so when he is working nights, my evening routine totally changes and is super motivating. So when he's gone, I will usually take one of those nights that he's working and just completely clean our house, like top to bottom. And so tonight was one of those nights. I just had the extra energy. And so I figured I would pick up the camera, as it has been a while since I have filmed just a clean with me. I'm usually filming my messy to minimal and cleaning and decluttering and all the things. So let me know down below what you think of today's video. If you are new here, I am using all non-toxic Enyo cleaning products. So in that yellow water bottle is just water, and then these Enyo fibers are what is doing all of the cleaning. It just picks everything up on a pore deep level, which everything in your home has pores except for windows. And so that's what I'm doing with that. And then the orange one, as you can see, I use on other surfaces. And this one is my dusting mitt, which I love. If you or anyone in your family struggles with allergies, you need this dust glove. I also just took those two pillows that were on the table there and put them in a trash bag to donate.
When there's complications, you withdraw and leave me to be. When there's a problem, you become like a wall. And every time I trip, it's a free fall. Why don't you help me the way I help you? You don't have to save me, just be my parachute. When I'm feeling down, you're just not there, making sure I'm okay. Why don't you help me the way I help you?
The hair has officially gone up and things are getting serious in here. I was just kind of cruising along through the house, making my way, and we are obviously in the dining area now. And I just wanted to kind of say that now that my home is mostly decluttered on the main floor, I still have a lot of work to do behind the scenes, I'll say, like in closets or in my basement and stuff like that. So stay tuned, as my messy to minimal series will still be continuing as I navigate through all of that clutter. And then we will get into the fun part, which is like the organizing and the styling, the decorating and all of that. So there's lots of great stuff to come here on the channel. So make sure you are subscribed. But now that my house is majority decluttered, what I like to do is just kind of have a running trash bag. And then whenever I find something that we don't really use, or for instance, those pillows that I just decluttered were gifted to me. And so I obviously took them, which is like a big no-no in the minimalist world, is to not always accept free stuff, but it's something I am still working on. And I am so grateful that one of my friends had gifted it to me. And then what I did is I ordered pillow covers off of Amazon and they didn't fit. And so I shipped those back to Amazon. Thank God for free returns. And then I ended up decluttering the pillows. And so it feels good to just kind of get those things out of the house when I just wasn't using them. And now somebody else can use them and hopefully it can bless their home. So that is just a little tip, is to kind of keep a running trash bag for all of your donations.
Just be my parachute. Why don't you help me?
Most of the time my eating cleaning routine is honestly cleaning and tidying up the dining room, so that is usually clear so that it is ready to go first thing in the morning. And then I like to make sure that the dishes are going, that the dishwasher is fully loaded and turned on so that in the morning I can continue on with my morning routine. Vacuuming and mopping is not a part of my normal nighttime routine, but again, when my husband is working night shifts, I usually go to town on the house, and it just makes me feel so good to wake up to a totally clean, spotless home. I would love to know down below in the comments when you do majority of your cleaning. Do you clean during the day? Do you clean at night? Let me know. And also add in there maybe what you do for work. Do you stay at home with your kids, or do you work outside of the home? Let me know, as I do think that that kind of plays a role usually in the routines. So now we are moving on. I wanted to show you a close-up of the bathroom mirror. It gets obviously very dirty with little kids and just fingerprints and stuff like that. And so I love this little window system that I use on the mirrors. It cleaned it in a hot second.
I can be a fighter if you want. I can be a fighter if you want. All the way that I feel, yeah, I know that it's real, 'cause I can get him out of my head. I don't care what we do, everything's feeling new. Even if we stay in bed, my heart is saying yeah, 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 yeah. You know I want him, nah, 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 nah. My heart is saying yeah, 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 yeah. I told him I can be a fighter if you want. I'll be there to catch you if you fall. I can make it brighter when it's dark, when it's dark. I told him I would do it all for you, and I know you do it for me too. I can be a fighter if you want, if you want. Yeah, I can be a fighter. I can be a fighter if you want. I can be a fighter if you want. Yeah, I can be a fighter. I can be a fighter if you want. I can be a fighter if you want.
It is not even 9 o'clock and the whole house is clean, and it just feels so good to clean. I don't honestly normally clean in the evenings. I only do when my husband is gone. Like I do, like, you know, I always make sure the dishwashers run at night, but I never mop at night or like vacuum or do any of like the floors and stuff. I usually do all of that stuff during my like day-to-day routine, but my evenings are really jam-packed full of like motivation when my husband is working night shifts. And so I thought that I would film an after dark clean with me / evening routine, as it always feels so good to get it done. And so I hope that you guys enjoyed tonight's motivation. Let me know down below if you guys have any special video requests. That is all I have for you guys. We will see you in my next video. Bye.